Okay, here's the property from the outside. The AC is 2008, so it's halfway through its usable life. Just giving you a quick scan of the community here. Let me just give you a quick view of the outside sides of the home. Just coming around the side here. Okay, just so you get some basic idea. Okay, so coming into the home, we have some laminate floors. This could be the TV room. A lot of people would use it as a formal. Here we've got the dining room. Big window there. This room is, this house isn't as open. I don't know, I think that Mihi, you might have preferred that. I think you had said that on one of the houses. Double doors here into what most would use as an office. Got some little archways. Down this way is the kitchen and such, but let's go ahead and start at the master bedroom. Double doors in. We've got the bathroom on this side, the rest of the room on this side. So here's your master. Double doors out to the pool. Over here, we've got like a mirrored, it's kind of a three-way mirror here on this side to the left. On the right, we've got a mirrored double door sort of reach-in closet, okay? Coming this way, we have the double sinks, bathtub, commode area, and another double door sort of mirror closet with, you know, it's obviously a bigger closet. So here we've got a shower. So that's that. Coming out again, front door to the left. Got the pool area out there. Now off to this side, we have to come down this hallway to get to the rest of the house. I don't know if they're using this as what they would have used this as, maybe a pantry. Over here, we've got a pool bath. This is a full bath, so we got a shower in here. And then your outside area. Let's just go ahead and go out here while we're already out here. So it's not fenced on this side, obviously. To give you that view. Pool's about 5 feet deep in the deep end. So again, front door is here. Coming this way, this is the kitchen. We got some bedrooms down there. Here we've got the laundry room, garage, got a side door over there. And then across from that is this kitchen here. With the TV room. Here's your little breakfast nook. Under this light, you put a table. So let's go ahead and give some perspective from here. Here's the other part of the house that we didn't see at these other two rooms. There's a bedroom here, and it's got a Jack and Jill setup because in In between, they have a bathroom. Again, just a reach-in closet here. But then they've got this double sink area. And of course, this full bath here. So coming out of there, again, down this hallway, front door is over there. It's a little bit, you know, there's a few little hallway kind of sections here. If I was to come through this way. So that's that. That is the house for you. Let me know if you have any questions.